Alright guys, alright, focus. Alright guys, first vlog. Is this my first? Yeah, first vlog not in California. I'm in Texas. As you've seen in the last video, if you watched it, my house is being moved out. And it happened. I moved out of California. California is just getting too crazy. All the laws, all these laws and taxes and everything else they're doing, California is just absolutely ridiculous right now. So, I mean, to us it was get out now or never. So we got out of there, moved to Texas. 2 days ago I just got my truck shipped in, and I just washed it at this little car wash place, which is actually really cool. They have these little foam cannons, like a little gun, and it shoots a super thick foam. I'll try to post a video of it because I took some for my Instagram story. But super thick foam. Then they have it's like a foam conditioner too, so I don't know what it does, but it makes the truck look amazing. It makes it look really good. And then of course the spot-free rinse, and rinse it off, and she is looking good. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. I wanted to do a little, like I said in a couple videos before, I want to do more lifestyle vlogs, kind of showing more of like what we do day to day and stuff. And of course cars are gonna be in it. Cars are my whole life. Like cars are my thing. Everything revolves around cars. So Bronco will be in it, and then for when I get a job out here and start working, I want to get a daily. So leave in the comments what you guys would like to see as a daily. I was thinking, I really like the Mustangs with the 5.0s in them. I like the newer ones. I really like the Corvette Stingray. I would take a Z06, but I don't have the Z06 money. So I love the Stingrays, like the 2014, 2015 C7 Stingrays. And I've also been looking a lot at Dodge Challengers. So I really want a Challenger. I've been looking at the Scat Packs and a couple other models like that. I don't have Hellcat money either, which I would love to get a Hellcat, but I don't have Hellcat money. And so that's what I've been looking at. Good little daily. So I can save some gas and start doing bigger work to this, so this can sit and I'll have a daily, something to drive every day. And I mentioned gas mileage when I was talking about getting a daily, but the crazy thing is here, gas is so cheap. In California, it was $120 for me to fill up my tank. Here, I filled up, gas was $1.79, and they have 93 here. California only had 91, so here I filled up with 93, 27 gallons of it for 60 bucks, like 60 bucks on the dot. It was ridiculous. And so I was super hyped about that. And yeah, that's something super cool that you just don't get in California. Other than that, we're staying at my uncle's house right now while our house is being like finished up and stuff, like all the stupid paperwork and stuff. So if you guys want, I can do a house tour, I guess, when I move in. Leave a comment. I mean, I want to see more comments so I can see what you guys actually want to see, because there's a decent amount of views but no comments. So just comment anything, honestly. I just want to see what you guys want to see. I want some video feedback on the videos we've been making. And one of the big things I've been getting asked is, where's Carson? Is Carson coming? Does this mean no more videos of Carson? And it's sad that we did have to leave Carson, but he'll be sending me videos and he'll be coming out here, and I'm gonna try to trailer my truck back out to California, obviously, so I can hit up the California desert, because there's nothing like the California desert. Out here, there's no off-roading out here, especially where I live. But there's a place next Saturday I'll be going to, and I'll be sure to film all of it. It's like a big track, and they're having an open track day. And I talked to someone who lives out here, and they said they call it the pre-runner day, open pre-runner day. It's kind of funny because he said that all the pre-runners that are out there is a bunch of stock Raptors. So I'm pretty hyped to go out and see if I can smoke some of these Raptors with the Bronco on the track, because I think that'd be really cool. And he says all these Raptor guys think they're trophy trucks and stuff, and it's hilarious. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's next Saturday. Today I'm filming actually on Halloween, but like since I moved out here, I don't know anyone, so I can't really hang out with anyone, so I'm just kind of on my own, which is cool. I like just kind of settling in and exploring the area, which is really cool. And yeah, other than that, we got the track day. Oh, tomorrow will be tomorrow I'm going to Cars and Coffee, so really trying to make friends in the car scene out here now that I don't know anyone, so I'm trying to make connections and kind of see what's going on. And so I'll probably actually add that in this video, just so this video is not like a complete talking video. But yeah, Bronco content will still be coming out. I'm gonna hit that track's open. They have the open pre-order days every first 2 Saturdays so of each month. So I'm gonna try to hit it 2 times a month. Obviously film all of it, film everything I do with the Bronco at home. If I get a daily, I'll film that. Film more of my daily life. See if I can make some good content out of that. And I'll just start editing it and posting it and see what you guys think about it. I'll try to do some interesting things and let's see. This is what you guys don't get to see in the vlogs because I edited it out. This is the part where I completely forget what I'm gonna say, and I can't think of anything to say, so I just stand here and look at the camera. But that's why we have editing, so I can edit all this crap out. But yeah, I'm trying to figure it out here. So if any of you guys live in the Austin, Texas area, hit me up. We can do some car stuff, and still have plans for the Bronco. Waiting on my seats and harnesses from PRP. Ordered them through Solo Motorsports, so Bobby from Solo will let me know when they're coming in. Right now I just have my stock Eddie Bauer seats, which are really nice still, but not for off-roading. It's like I slip around and slide around so much. It's ridiculous, but the new PRP 5-point harnesses, they should be sick. I already have the Solo Motorsports slider brackets, so the PRPs just mount to the stock Ford Bronco sliders, and it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, that'll probably be it for this one, unless I add tomorrow's Cars and Coffee in here. But Carson's truck went through some big changes recently, which I think you guys will be really excited about. I won't post any pictures of it yet, but let's just say he got the TIG welder working and built himself a whole new front kit, and I'll say something about it in one of these upcoming videos, but the travel numbers he's gonna have in the front of that truck is insane, and it's linked, and he got a new bypass for the front, 3.0 bypass, so that truck's gonna be insane off-road. Yeah, like I said again, I'm gonna say it again, comment what you guys wanna see. If you guys wanna see something, comment, and I'll put it in the videos. I'll make a video out of it. Just let me know. And let me know if you guys want Carson to make videos too. What do you wanna see with his truck and what he's been doing? Because I'm sure he's down to make videos. He likes making videos too, so.